Journey to Scotland is an interactive installation or a performance tool which allows users to change sound and video parameters in real time by using a controller. Here is it in practice. It consists of 8 scenes, each of which has 3 audiovisual layers that can be combined and adjusted. I'm just adding clouds, changing color, triggering a storm, and messing with many options of distortion. You can either follow a narrative, which will take you in and across Scotland, or you can experiment with the controls and create your own abstract images. Whether you're more into sound or video, the installation offers over 16,000 possibilities to make it new and individual each time.